Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI Summarizer tool online, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL of your preferred AI Summarizer tool. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for an input box on the main interface. Copy the text you want to summarize from your document or web page. Paste the copied text into the input box on the Summarizer tool. Take a moment to review any optional settings provided. If available, select the summary length you prefer, short, medium, or long. Look for the button labeled Summarize or Generate Summary. Click on that button to begin the summarization process. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your input. Once completed, the summarized text will appear on the screen. Read through the summary to ensure it captures the main points. If necessary, you can copy the summary for your use. Check for any additional features the tool may offer, like exporting the summary or sharing it. If you need to summarize more text, repeat the previous steps. Explore different summarizer tools to find the one that best fits your needs. Remember to always review and tweak the summary for accuracy or clarity as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.